Hey guys, welcome back to GoneTrekking. Today we are doing a unboxing of the Magneto headlamp. So it is rated for camping, fishing, browing, hiking, emergencies, 120 lumens. That should be bright enough for the basics. We're going to cut this open because we might want the packaging a little bit later. And then we'll try a fit, a test, and we'll do a proper bush test because this is rated for up to 40 meters at 120 lumens, which is pretty remarkable because other headlamps I have a higher lumen rating and half the distance. So we do a very practical test. We're going to have a look down the road into the bush and see how far we can see, and can't get more practical than that. Packaging, it's actually pretty simple to open. You can actually just pull the side off. I did give it a cut, but actually there's nothing in between, so don't stress about it too much. Also comes with 3 batteries included, so you don't have to buy extras. Let's fit these and see how they go in. Right, so if you've ever had these types of headlamps before, they're pretty straightforward to open. Once you face it away from you, if you look at the top, it's got a little lever. Pull that, just give it a pull, it opens up. You immediately have space for your batteries. Slot these in. Okay, pretty straightforward. Let's go through the modes. Normal light, slightly dimmer, normal red lights, nice especially when you're around the fire, you need to look at someone, emergency light, and off. Okay, that's pretty straightforward. It does have tilting capability. Head strap really does feel like it's good quality. It's nice and flexible, can adjust on the side. It really fits me. So it's time for the practical test. What I'm going to do is I'm going to switch off the lights in the LARPer, have a look behind me, and then we'll see how far we can see. So that's all dark. Real world test. Brighter setting. Yo, 40 meters, Dad. This is what? 15. Bush test tells me this is not as bright as I would want it to be, especially not for 40 meters. Maybe at 40 meters someone can see your light, but definitely for you to see what's going on around you, not me. What we are going to do in another video is we do a comparison to the Magneto, the Blue Mountain Pick and Pay range LED light, as well as the very well marketed Lumio, and then we'll see what the difference is. I'll put some reflectors on, we'll do that at house, and then we can have a proper test to see if this really lights up as far as it says and which ones give us the better lighting. So look out for that as soon as it's out. I'll put it in the description below. But right now today, this is a Magneto summary. It's nice, it comes with batteries, easy to open, it has its functions just like any other light does. It is cheap to buy. It was less than 60 Rand, so that is a very big factor to keep in mind. We'll do this test, and when we run our comparisons, we're also going to let the batteries run flat for a full charge to see how long they last. It does claim to have 50 hours of battery life. I can imagine that being true, so I'm looking forward to doing the comparison test. Short and sweet, guys. See you soon.